Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can easily create this intro text on a CapCut PC. Go to text and add in your default text, and I'm just going to type in the word cinematic, and I'm going to also change the font as well. Then I am going to right click. Actually, I want to add in like a glow first, so just press glow and adjust the intensity a little bit, and then I'm going to right click and then I'm going to select create compound clip. Go to mask and select the film strip, and you are going to rotate it and you're going to feather it out a little bit, and you're going to just adjust this, and you're going to start at kind of the beginning, and you're going to add a keyframe for everything, and then at the end of the video you're going to move the mask here. So this is what it should look like at the end. It is actually super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!